Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the default arguments in Python. Now, what are the default arguments? Default arguments are the default values which we are passing while defining the function. In case if the user does not provide the arguments while calling it, so system will take the default ones. You must remember one important thing, that default argument always follows non-default arguments. Means default arguments always come after the non-default ones, right? So these are the valid cases and these are the invalid cases. In the valid case, see, this is the L is the non-default, where B and H is a default arguments. So we can call the function by passing only one value. The rest of the values are taken as the default one from the function, right? But in case if you want to change the values of B and H, you can also do by passing the values according to your own requirement. Okay, if you are passing here Q 9, 5. Now the 9, 5 is 9 is taken by L, 5 is taken by B, whereas H takes the default one, right? If you are passing all the three values, then it will take accordingly. Now the invalid case, here we are passing the default value here, but it will throw you an error while calling the function. Okay. But if you want that if we pass the non-default value in between the default ones, that is also an error. It will not execute. Okay, kindly remember this. I hope this is clear to all of you. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.